Hey everybody, Mark Adams again. I got to share something with you. I'm here at this school. We're going to be doing 250 different workshops this summer. One of them that we're going to be doing in a couple of weeks is on building your own pizza oven. And so one of the things we've done here is we've done the foundational work. So you can see we've got it all in place. But when the students come in, what we're going to do is we're going to brick this whole thing. We're going to build the pizza area here. Then it's got this great big beautiful above roof that goes on the whole thing. Now you'll be able to come and help build this, but at the same time you'll develop all the skills that you need to know when you go home and build your own outdoor beautiful brick masonry pizza oven. And there's more you can do in it than just pizza. You can bake bread in it and you can bake cookies in it and do all kinds of fun things. You don't want to miss this class, but you can find out more about it at marcadams.com. See you this summer.